Good morning, everyone. It's UTC. And we are going to conduct a live technical analysis as usual. This time at 10 a.m. or local time, or at 8 a.m. GMT. The program of UTC where we conduct the live technical analysis on a regular basis in order to help our followers to master how to trade professionally and how you can track and trade the market continuously. Okay, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please consider subscribing so that you will be notified the next time when we are about to start our live technical analysis. And if you are a regular follower for our Ultimate Traders live show, please don't forget to hit the like and share so that other people should benefit from this technical analysis. We do a price action. We do trade based on price action. Price action, and the price action is a common and similar and all over all the financial market, whether cryptocurrency, indices, forex, commodities, stocks. Therefore, we do analyze different categories of the market in order to show you that it is common and that can be used for all the markets. And if you are a trader, consistent forex traders, you know that the market is moved by two factors: fundamentals and the sentiment of the traders. Okay, that is why we always begin with the fundamentals analysis of the DXY. Since the DXY is the reserve currency of the world, it will tend to influence the movement of all of the markets. So without delay, let's start with the technical analysis of the DXY. You could see that since mid-July this year, dollar index was strong bullish. You could see how it is making continuous higher highs and higher lows. Okay, which means that we should have been looking for buy opportunities in the dollar index. It is a clear uptrend on 4-hour time frame, and currently you see that the market has made this move over there. So it is very expensive to buy from that move already. So if we want to buy USD dollar index, we should wait for the pullback at this trend line, which was acting as a support since July 2023. Okay, in order to buy the dollar index. Okay, and you see that this trend line has a confluence with this is a broken resistance, which has been tested multiple times. Okay, around 105.5. And our counter to resistance, which is even the monthly resistance, will be at 108. That is where we could target our dollar. So this clearly means that it is too late to buy dollar index. The best way to trade this dollar, it is to wait for the pullback to this support around the 106 and then buy dollar index. Okay, without even going further, this clearly indicates that you should do there are no good high probability trading opportunities in major currency pairs as commodities and US stocks. So therefore you should pay attention to how you are trading the currencies or the assets that are based on US dollars, because they will tend to pull back. Okay, and remember, and during this show, if you have any query, problem, or you have any market you wish us to analyze for you, please comment below to this live show. We'll be happy to provide our market insight in order to support you. So now, since we know how dollar index is doing, we have seen that there is no buy opportunity in dollar index. Let's go to major currency pairs and check how we can trade this market. The first market, which I told you yesterday, I think on the live technical analysis of yesterday, I talked about this rising wedge, where I told you that it is just the reversal chart pattern, and I was expecting dollar to drop down at least to this support, and because dollar is a US dollar, it is now overextended. Okay, you can see that those what I was telling you happened yesterday, and believe me, this happened just in 1 minute because of the news of USD yesterday. You can scroll back on 1 minute. You will see all of this move happened just in 1 single minute, where the dollar dropped from 150 to 147. Okay, guys, this is how we analyze the market. Okay, and I hope no one disregarded this technical analysis and bought USD Japan yen over there, because there is no stop loss which could save you from this move yesterday. Now you see the market has pushed the lower and tested this support. So what we are waiting for, it is the retest of this. It has, oh, let me switch to the regular candlestick. Sorry, I was using a Kanashi candlestick patterns, and I know many are not familiar with this candlestick. So let's use the Kanashi regular candles. You see, the market broke below this channel, as we mentioned yesterday, this rising wedge, sorry, and it came to test it already. Okay, now even if we get even a bearish engulfing candle, evening star candlestick pattern there, we can even make our break and retest over there, stop loss over there. Please remember the risk management, because nothing is 100% guarantee in forex trading, and you can time your take profit now at the bottom or at the beginning of this wedge. There is high probability that the USD Japan yen will test the bottom of this wedge before it continues this bullish move over there. Okay, so this is one of our high probability trades you can make today. Okay, but it will be better if you wait for the news of today, because today we have unemployment claim. So better you trade USD Japan yen after the news release. Okay, as you can see at 2:15 we have ADP non-farm payment change, which expected to be also be a negative. Okay, so if the news come below 153k, we will see USD Japan yen dropping down even further. Okay, and at 4 p.m. we have ISM service PMI. All of this is fundamentals for sure. Honestly, they are going to cause a sudden move on USD Japan yen, and we at UTC will be at the bearish side, because we already have a signal that is showing that the buyers are losing the buying momentum and that the sellers have entered. You can see this drop which happened yesterday, just in 1 minute, a drop of about how much? A drop of about 2%. This was insane, my friend. Okay, so USD we see it is also one of the market which we said that we are looking for sell opportunity, and if you clearly see, it is already making a double top over here. Honestly, we told you we are not buying USD Swiss at this resistance, because it is very, very extended. We are waiting for a pullback at this support around the 0.989 before we pushes up to this direction. Therefore, you see that we do have an area of value here in this zone, but if you are not an advanced trader, I will not advise you honestly to trade this counter trade, because the counter trade, it is very, very, very difficult to trade. Okay, but for we UTC, we will trade this counter trade at the news. Okay, And if it does not happen, we're gonna lose only 1%. That is not a big deal for our market. So this double top, if you're aggressive trader, you can trade it and you can time your take profit at this neckline. If you are conservative, sorry, if you are an aggressive trader, you can even target this support where we are going to look for buying opportunities. Okay. For USD card also, we told you yesterday that it is very, very far away of value, and the bus it is very many the same. We are waiting to buy it at this support around the 133. If it does not happen, we're gonna wait until the price breaks and cross above this 139 resistance, and we can trade break and retest strategy. That's how we are going to trade USD card. Euro USD, I think I mentioned this support over here, which is a significant support. It is even daily, weekly, and monthly support, and it has been tested a long time, many times in the past. Therefore, we are not selling Euro or USD here. If you remember, when we told you that you are looking for sell opportunities at this resistance around the 106.65 or at this resistance around 1.1. Okay, so we do expect dollar to make this pullback, okay, at the resistance, and then for look for sell opportunities. If it breaks above here, of course we look at this is the second resistance where we will be looking for sell opportunities. So there is no sell opportunity in Euro USD today, even though it is bearish. GBP USD, it has also completed this trending move. As we mentioned yesterday, we are waiting GBP USD to make a pullback at this trend line at least, and this resistance at least over there. Okay. You see, USD, Japan, USD, GBP USD has broke below this significant support. So the high probability is that it could turn into resistance. Therefore, we are waiting the market to pulse back at this resistance and then to continue this bearish move. That clearly shows that we do not have any selling opportunities in GBP USD today. And for buy opportunities, please, if you're not an advanced trader, I cannot advise you to trade the counter trade, because counter trade is very difficult to trade, and it is easy to trade in the direction of a main trend because the least resistance. That's the least path of resist support. On the USD, it was in range. I think I explained you this several times, and you can see that someone who traded at this resistance has managed to make a profit of $4 already. So for someone who sold the USD at this resistance, you can try to manage your trade here. Okay, it is still bearish. Okay, and for the people who are not in GBP or the USD, sorry, we do have this broken support over here. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. This is a support, not a resistance. I have to change that. Demand. Okay. So, if USD pulls back at this resistance and give you a sell signal, okay, of course, you can try to continue with sell, okay, with sell opportunity here because it is still bearish. That's how we will be trading USD and New Zealand USD also. You see now it has broken this trend line, okay, and it is making something like a retest over there. Let's make it with a regular channel. We do have a bearish channel here on OD New Zealand USD. Okay, since this market it is bearish, you see it was a downtrend. Okay, this is what we call a bear frag, my friend. And you see the market broke this support and tested it and gave us a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. If you are an aggressive trader, this is even a trading signal. You can sell here and stop loss above this candle because this is a break and retest. And of course, you can time this support. This is the significant support we have on New Zealand USD. Okay, here it is. Okay, you can trade this trade if you are an aggressive trader. If you are a conservative trader, you can even wait this market to pulls back at this resistance or at the range of this channel, and you can look for sell opportunities over there. Okay, let me make it like this in order to make it very clear. We do have a resistance here. Because it was broken and now it is testing. What I meant, there is a high probability that New Zealand USD can continue to drop down, and we do have this minor support here. Okay. Okay. So for an aggressive trader, that's what I mean. There is a probability that this market can continue to push it down. Then you could look for selling opportunity over their breakout of this support or break and retest of this support. Okay, could be a very nice trade. If you are a conservative trader, you should consider waiting this market to continue higher to this middle line or this resistance of consolidation of bearish frag, and then you could look for selling opportunities over there, and break and retest of these areas of value also could be a nice sell opportunities. This is how we are going to trade New Zealand USD. But you know, we UTC, we are a conservative trader. Okay, we are not going to trade the breakout of this support. Okay, probably we're gonna trade the break and the retest of this one. Okay, or if the market pushes back to this middle line or to this resistance, then we will look for sell opportunity, since our trading plan is to trade the high probability trade in a conservative way. So this, they are red because we are considering them at like a resistance where we are going to look for selling opportunities. We will not attempt to buy from these supports because New Zealand USD, it is strong bearish. Sellers are controlling the markets. Okay, now let's go to the metals. Gold, it is still the same. We do have this resistance around the 1900 and the support around the 1800, and the market has pushed very bearish, very low, and it is closer to the low. So we need to look for sell in the gold, but we are not going to sell at near the support. The only way we can sell gold is to wait the pullback to this resistance, to this support which is broken, to turn into resistance, and then we will sell over here. Okay, that's where we are going to look for sell opportunities on gold. If it does not happen, we have no trading opportunity in gold. Silver also has broken this support. Okay, and now the bias we had yesterday is still the same. We are still waiting to push back at this resistance, and that's where we are going to look for sell opportunities. And this clearly means that we have no trading opportunities in silver today. Okay. And let's go switch to indices also. Okay, I hope you remember this head and shoulder, which is also a reversal chart patterns, and we are still at this neckline, and we was expecting US 100 to drop lower. Okay, but since we are at the neckline, our bias of yesterday is still the same. The market needs to pulse back at the right shoulder, and that is where we are going to look for sell opportunities. Okay, that's the first area for value where we are going to look for sell opportunities. around the 1500 700. Okay, if that does not happen, the price breaks below this neckline, we're gonna trade the retest, of course. Okay, we are bearish on the Nasdaq, but we are waiting the market to give us the best entry criteria. Okay, looking at UK 100, UK 100, we showed you that it is bearish and it has broken this trend line from this area for value. The price is still the same. The only way we can sell UK 100, it has to pulse back toward this broken trend line, which it can turn into support and resistance now. And the bias of yesterday, it is remain the same. Bitcoin, you know that we are bullish on Bitcoin, but we are waiting to trade the break and retest of this resistance around the 28,000 or the double bottom at this support of 25,500. The bias of yesterday remain the same. Now let's go to Euro Japan yen. I hope you do remember this trade which I took 3 weeks ago from this double top over here. You can see how USD Japan yen now pushed below our support and it broke our support. Now it is officially the resistance. Okay, which clearly indicates that now this setup will not happen. High probability is that it will not happen. So it is now time to trade our retest. If we get a signal at this resistance, of course, we are going to look for selling opportunities because the price broke our support. Okay, and now it is making a retest. If we get a signal there, we can look for sell opportunities, and there is a high chance that Euro Japan yen could even pulse back toward this deep pullback resistance. Therefore, if it does not give us a signal over here and continues higher, okay, we can even look for sell opportunities over there. And I hope you do remember the trade. Oh, my platform where I'm trading, executing the trade, it is not open. But you do remember that I took this trade last week ago on 13th of September over here, and I hold this trade until now, and you can see that it is already moving in a very, very nice profit. Okay, because my target for this trade, it is already here. Okay, I'm targeting 8R and this trade, and for sure I will show you how it moves, and if it hits, if I take profit, I will continue to update this trade. GBP Japan yen, it is of course a bearish. For someone who traded this break and latest signal over here, you see that he managed to make the profit around the 4R yesterday. And now it broke already then this support. If you are not in this trade already, okay, you could wait for this signal over here. If you get a retest of this resistance around 181, you can look for sell opportunities for continuation pattern. But honestly, the nice trade happened over here, and you see how GBP Japan yen made a very, very, very strong and nice move. Okay, and this is the beauty of trading, of being patient and wait the market to pulse back at the area of value. You will have a very nice risk to reward ratio. You can see a risk to reward ratio of 4 is very nice and strong trade. Okay, So these are the area of the market we do analyze on the daily basis, okay? And if you are looking for continuation pattern which is easy to trade this year, you can look at GBP Japan Yen and Swiss Euro Japan Yen. And for the advanced traders, you can even look for counter trade trades at USD Japan Yen as well as USD Swiss, okay? Now let's look if we have any comment or suggestions or request from Rio Benja. Here we are. That's good. We do appreciate your presence because the feedback that what you are doing, there are people which are following them and which are benefiting from them. It is very beneficial. It encourages us. And please do not forget to hit the like button and share, so that other people should benefit also from this live technical analysis. Nora Emperor, hi UTC, can you please analyze the US for us, Ethereum, USDT? I think, Emperor, you are a very strong fan of cryptocurrency, but as I mentioned, price action is the same all over in all the markets. Let's see that Ethereum USDT. Mkeshimana Jean Paul, the images and the technical analysis are not reaching at the same time. Oh, that could be the problem of network. And thank you very much for notifying us. Or maybe we need to go back after the closure of this show in order to get the better insight of the market. Okay, Mr. Emperor, I think I told you how we do analyze the market. We simply follow the system we have developed, which is called TAEST. And it is applicable to all of the markets. TAEST, where T stands for trend, A stands for area of value, E stands for entry, S stands for stop, and target, okay? The trend will tell us who is controlling the market, okay? And the area of value will tell us where to look for sell opportunities. If I look for this Ethereum here on a medium term, okay, maybe let me start on a daily time frame. This cryptocurrency, it is choppy, okay, and it is making this bear flag. I can see that because it is making lower low and the lower high. You can clearly see that. Therefore, this indicates that the Ethereum USDT, it is bearish currently. So you have to look for selling opportunities in this cryptocurrency. Okay, dropping to 4 hour, you will see that you have a resistance around 1,751, and you have a support around 1,500. $32. Okay, therefore, if you want to trade this market, I would suggest to wait a pullback to this middle line of the channel, our channel, or to wait for a double top there and look for sell opportunities, and your profit could be at this support. Okay, and I think this market could continue lower. You should be looking for sell opportunities at this resistance, okay, or you can wait for a break and retest of this support. That is what I can tell you, because this market, it is in a range, okay, and the only way to trade the range market, it is regarding the current price action, is to make a stack and a box over here. Okay, I hope I gave you the market insight. So let's close the live technical analysis of today here, and see you tomorrow at the same time, 10 a.m. local time or 8 a.m. GMT. And if you want the mentorship to master the technical analysis, the support and resistance, trend line, 7 trading strategies, risk management, okay, we do have a mentorship program. Of course, we do have a free Forex trading course for beginners, which we teach completely free. Okay, and for the people who are looking for mentorship, you can go to our website www.traders.rw, and you can go to Money Fisher. You will be able to see what we can teach you. Normally, we teach you first of all the technical analysis. This course is here section: advanced candlestick pattern, market structure, support and resistance, trend line, trading indicator. This consists about the technical analysis. After the technical analysis and the price action, of course, we teach you 7 trading strategies which you can use depending on any market conditions. Then after that, we teach you the backtesting and for the trading strategy, trading journal, risk management, trading psychology. And after all of this, we teach you how you can make your trading plan based on the time you have and the currency and the trading objective. If you complete this course, we believe that you can trade profitably. And I mentioned this. This is trading.